Hello, I Anand Jain from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan welcomes you to your favorite Shridevi Classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest and confidence in science, engineering and fashion design subjects. Today in our fashion design playlist, we'll understand quality assurance in the fashion industry. We'll understand the meaning of quality assurance and then consider how material selection and testing, product design and development, production process and workmanship, and quality control and inspection is used to ensure quality in the fashion industry and in garment construction. We will also understand the importance of regulatory compliance, consumer feedback and return mechanism, documentation and record keeping, and training and education of staff person in quality assurance. So let's understand quality assurance in the fashion industry. Quality assurance in fashion industry aims to enhance customer satisfaction. It tries to reduce cost that is linked to defect and rework, and good quality assurance maintain competitiveness of fashion business. And quality assurance in garment construction involve development of comprehensive plan that outline all quality related objectives in detail, and then we'll set all processes to ensure quality. We will allocate resources to maintain quality and division responsibility for quality assurance, and this all consistently deliver high quality product or services for garment construction. In fashion industry, quality assurance refers to systematic processes and practices that ensure garment and all accessories meet defined standard of quality, durability and aesthetic appeal. The primary goal of quality assurance is to prevent defects or error throughout the production process from initial design stage to manufacturing, ensuring consistent quality across the product manufacturing cycle. And quality assurance is pivotal in every stage of fashion supply chain, from design and development, production to distribution and retail. And here in this video we'll discuss some key aspect of quality assurance in fashion industry, including material selection and testing, product design and development, production processes and workmanship, QC and inspection, compliance of regulatory system, importance of consumer feedback, the documentation of quality assurance, and training and education of employees. Let's first understand the importance of material selection and testing in quality assurance of garment construction, ensuring that fabric, trims, and other materials meets quality standards of durability, color fastness, texture, and performance are very important and crucial in garment production. And to ensure quality in all material selection, whether it is fabrics, trims of garments or other add-on component of garment construction, we have to conduct suitable tests in accredited laboratories to evaluate factors like tensile strength, shrinkage or color consistency. And when one select quality material in garment construction, that ensure quality in final garment produced. To assure quality in product design and development, it is crucial that designer and production team work closely together to turn creative idea into design that can be made while upholding the quality standards. And this involve making prototype, testing how they fit, and carefully looking at the design details and construction method. So a closed associated work of designer and product manufacturing team can only turn a creative idea into beautiful garment and ensure quality. So quality assurance in product design and development is very important. The most important part of quality assurance in garment construction is quality of production process and workmanship, and from fabric to final finished product. In between, quality is assured at all stages, whether it is pattern making and exact cutting or value addition stages of sieving. And quality should also be ensured by final inspection, checking, and if required, some rework is also performed. And then, after iron and packaging finishing, it is dispatched and delivered in retail system. So quality assurance throughout this production cycle is important to ensure consistent and precise quality government construction, and this involves training of all production personnels, setting up quality checkpoint at all stages, whether it is pattern making or cutting or sieving or final inspection or dispatch. And all through this production cycle, we have to make required inline inspection to detect problems related to quality, and we have to also resolve those detected problems that are there during production cycle. So this all quality control in production process and workmanship ensure quality government product to end consumer. Quality control and inspection is another aspect of quality assurance in government construction, and for that we have to establish precise quality standards and specification for our garment product, and these quality standards or specifications may be defined by our regulatory bodies, or best practices of our industry can be used as a base for our standard and specification, or we can establish these standard and specification as per customer requirement or our internal requirements, and accordingly as per those standard and specification we can make inspection of raw material. And most important garment inspection is in process inspection, where in all three, cutting section, sieving section and finishing section, we can make appropriate inspections, and as per detailed standard and specification, when garment is inspected, early detection of error can be managed, and accordingly as it is detected it can also be resolved. And such garment construction after appropriate inspection definitely would have good quality. So quality is assured by quality control and inspection methodology. Finally, conducting thorough inspection of finished garment is crucial to assess their quality, fit and appearance, and this involve visual checks, all important measurements and functional testing to ensure that product meets the standard which we have set, and product is designed and developed as per customer expectation. And all top garment manufacturer make quality check for front part of garment, all small associated parts of the garment, collar joint top stitch is particularly inspected, side seams are also observed, and garment is tested for all measurement of collar, chest, front length, shoulder, sleeve length, armholes before dispatching to customer. So quality control during garment manufacturing and at output conditions is very important for quality assurance. For a garment manufacturer, compliance with pertinent regulation and standard that are governing product safety, labeling requirement, environmental sustainability or garment performance is very important. And when one manufacturer observe regulatory compliance, then those regulations concerns to chemical uses, and in labeling we have to give details like fiber content and care instruction for our government in label itself, and we have to follow and comply all safety standard rules and regulation as per law for flammability and choking hazards, especially when garments are made for small children. In garment construction we use cloth, trims and other accessories supplied by different supplier and vendor, and to assure quality in our garment construction we must ensure that all our supplier and vendor comply with quality standards and provide material and component or other services that meet specific quality requirement. And for that one can conduct supplier audit, monitor production process and quality issues handled by those supplier and vendor. And we can also establish our quality assurance agreement with them to uphold accountability and transparency in our supply chain so as to assure quality in our garment construction. Management of consumer feedback and return is another important part of quality assurance. Gathering and analyzing consumer feedback and return with suitable data helps to identify trends, patterns, and opportunity for our quality improvement in products. And we can ask consumer to give feedback, and those feedback are categorized by analysis, and we can organize feedback information for our different teams, and we'll share that feedback to different team of our manufacturing cycle. And as follow up, we can update customer that we have made the changes which we obtain from consumer feedback. This information of consumer feedback is very important for enhancing product quality, and now our garments manufacturing can address customer concerns and expectation, and this will ensure maintenance of our brand reputation and also ensure customer satisfaction in our garments. So management of consumer feedback and returns also ensure quality assurance in garment production. Maintenance of documentation and record keeping is very important in quality assurance, and when we maintain comprehensive documentation of quality related activities including procedures, specification, test results, quality issues obtained by inspection, and corrective action taken against them, then it will promote traceability and accountability in quality assurance, as record provide evidence for conformity of our product as per customer requirement or other legal or statutory compliance, and record establish measurable evidence for effective operation of quality management system. So documentation and record keeping is very important in quality management for quality assurance. As we know, quality is a team activity, so training of skills and appropriate education of all employees is very important, as that ensure that all team member associated in garment construction grasp the quality requirements, understand all quality related procedures and their responsibility so as to uphold quality standards in our garment construction. So training and education of employees also ensure quality in our garment manufacturing. In fashion industry, quality assurance is crucial for delivering garments and accessories that meet customer expectations in terms of design, quality, and value. And by integrating strong quality assurance practices throughout the supply chain or manufacturing system, fashion companies can stand out in competitive market. This will cultivate brand loyalty and ensure everlasting success. We hope by this small learning video you can understand the importance of quality assurance in our fashion industry and how quality is assured in material selection and testing, product design and development, production process and workmanship. You also appreciate that quality control and inspection, management of consumer feedback and return data, documentation and record keeping, and training of employees all are important in quality assurance. Our other learning video of the same playlist are equally useful. You can use them in your study or also share them to your friends. And if you need study notes, do join our channel membership. Happy learning. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.